Okay, so today we discuss that why only carbon atoms show the property of catenation. Okay, it is true or not, and second, what is the result of the catenation. So first of all, what is the catenation? It is nothing but the property possessed by the certain element to form a bond between their own atom to form a chain is called as a catenation. Similar type of the property seen in the carbon, that the one atom of the carbon can form the bond with the other atom and so on and form a long chain. But here when I define the catenation, I use the term certain element, means rather than carbon atom, this property can also be shown by other element such as silicon. That means we get an answer of first question, not only a carbon atom but the silicon like element also show the such property, that the property of catenation. But actually carbon have the great tendency to form such chain, hence we give the more importantly we give the example carbon, that carbon show the property of the catenation. Okay, if you want to get why only a carbon form a such enormous amount of the compound due to the property of catenation, and which factor which are important to determine, the link are given in description. I strongly recommend to see this video. So basically silicon like element can also have, but they not have such a vast tendency like carbon. Okay, but they show the little amount of the catenation property. Result, the due to the what are the catenations result. So basically it have the first, that carbon only form a enormous amount of compound that contain the carbon, and due to the property of catenation they form the enormous amount of compound, and this give the needs of the new branch of the chemistry to study such vast compound in like organic chemistry. We know that in organic chemistry we discuss the organic compound basically contain the carbon, right? And this carbon have the great tendency to form the form the large number of a compound due to the that is property catenation. So overall this give the new branch, right, that is known as organic chemistry. So in this way we discuss that not only a carbon, other element can show the property of catenation, and result of catenation that form a new branch, right, that is organic chemistry. In this way we discuss this same type of discussion we take in next video.